Hello, are you gonna come and talk to me? Hello. 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 But now I'm gonna come over this side and see if you wanna come and talk to me over here. Hello. Hello. Where are you? Oh, hey, there you are.
Mom!
Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Yes. She's gonna eat Pretty Polly. And then we'll go over this side and... Hello. Come over here. Pretty Polly, Pretty Polly. Hello? Hello? Where are you? Hello? I've come back over this side. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Oh! Hello? Hello? Oh!
Oh my god,
Hello? 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 Oh no, yeah, I thought that. Is that all you can say? Can you say hello? Can you? Hello? Oh. What about you? Can you say hello again? Hello? 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 Oh, come on this side. Come over this side. I'm round here. Come and say hello to me. Come on. Come on. Come over here. Come on. Come on then. Hello. Hello. Oh, hello, sir. Pretty Polly. Who's a pretty boy then? Hello. I know, you're so pretty. You're so pretty, aren't you? Yes, you are. You are. Oh, hello. Hello, pretty parrots. Hello. Head's upside down. Hello. Oh, got an itch. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Bye-bye. We're gonna go home now. Oh, bless you. Have a little kiss. Want to say goodbye? Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Hello. Who's a pretty boy then? Pretty Polly. Polly wants a parrot. Polly wants a carrot. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. See you later.